Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Queen. Today we are making these delicious Funfetti white chocolate chip cookies. Let's bake. Okay, so first things first, we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Alright, now we're going to go in with our unsalted butter, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, and our vanilla extract, and we're going to cream that on medium speed about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Now in between the mixing, you want to make sure you stop and scrape down the sides of your bowl just to make sure everything is combined. Okay, so we're going to go with our eggs one at a time. You want to make sure that first egg is well mixed in before you go with your second one. Okay, so we're scraping down our bowl again, and next we're going to go with our flour, adding in 1 cup at a time. Alright, so I'm going to scrape down my bowl once again, and I'm going to gently fold in my white chocolate chips and the sprinkles. I ended up using 1.5 bags of the white chocolate chips in the entire bottle of the sprinkles, but you can certainly use less than that if you would like. Okay, so this recipe makes about 3 dozen cookies. So I use a large size cookie scoop, and I only baked 6 because they were so big. So I greased my hands really well, rolled them into a nice sized ball, placed them on a greased cookie sheet about 2 to 3 inches apart, and baked them on 375 for 8 to 9 minutes. Now I froze the rest of the dough, so if you want to know if you can freeze it, you certainly can. Alright, these are eaten fresh out of the oven. I just placed them on a cookie rack to let them cool about 10 to 15 minutes. When I tell y'all this recipe is super easy, so delicious, I bet you can't eat just one. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media platforms, and I'll see y'all in the next video.